Hello friends, welcome to the channel. I am Dr. Vikas Singh Bhadoria. In today's video, I will discuss about the screen capturing using a software A-Power REC. So let us start our tutorial for today. This is the icon of that software A-Power REC. I am opening that software. Whenever this will open, you will be able to see the A-Power REC Ultimate Screen Recorder. This is the front panel of this software. I will discuss its features one by one. This is the record button. If you will press this record button, then it will start recording. This is the webcam. If you will click on this, the webcam will open like this. I have clicked this, so you will see the webcam at the corner. This is the mic. Whenever you will click on this button, audio, you will be able to see that system sound, microphone. So whichever sound you want, you can click on that. If you want sound from the microphone, then you can select this microphone. If you want system sound during the recording, then you can click this system sound. And if you want both, then you can click this system sound and microphone. Then setting, if you will click on this, you will see the features like system sound default, microphone default, and here are two features. One is noise cancellation and another one is audio boost. So you need to click on these two features. If you will not select noise cancellation, then there will be some noise in the audio during the recording, and if you will not select this audio boost, then the recording of audio or the sound quality will be low. So you need to check these two boxes, noise cancellation and audio boost. Then after that this one is for the game mode. If you want recording in game mode, then you will click on this. Then this feature is about the selection of region. If you want to select a particular region, then you will click on this, that whether you want recording of full screen or this you want recording in this resolution 1280 by 720 HD quality in 720p or any other. If you want to select custom region, then you need to select this custom region. Then you can select that custom region, or if you want full screen recording, then you need to click on this full screen mode. Then after that, these are the recordings which are done in previous. Then we will move towards the setting section. So click on this button, more, and then setting. These are the different settings for this software. This one is output folder. So if you want to change this folder, you can change this. This is the by default folder in which whenever you will record any video, that will be saved in this folder. Then the setting for video, the output format is MP4. If you want to change MP4, WMV, AVI or MOV file or FLV or MPEG file, you can change as per your requirement. Then you can also set the frame rate, then bit rate. The quality you can select as standard, high or ultra high. Then the audio quality, the output format you can select as MP3, and here you can set the bit rate. These settings are by default settings which are in this software as a default. Then the screenshot, whenever we are taking a screenshot during the recording, you can set the output format for that. You can that format or that image or screenshot will be in the form of PNG image or in bitmap image, or it will be in JPEG, GIF or TIFF format. you can select this format. The main feature which will be utilized most, or which will be more visible during the recording, that is show mouse cursor. If you will uncheck this box, then mouse cursor will not be shown during the recording. If you will check this box, then you will be able to see the mouse cursor during the recording. Then this show mouse area, and then color. After the color, this is the size. By varying this, you can change the size of the cursor. Then another feature is record mouse click. If you want to record that click sound, then you need to check this. Otherwise, no need to check this. If you will, if this will remain unchecked, then it will not record the click sound. Otherwise, all click sounds of the mouse will be recorded. Then the recording, that zoom area, it is by default 50% of recording area. Then spotlight diameter, it is as 40%. Then this auto split the recording file. If you want that file size should not be large, then you can check this, that the file will be splitted into two parts or more than two parts. If the recording reaches to 60 minutes, if the recording is more than 60 minutes, then it will create another file. Or if you want to keep the size limit, then you can click this. If the file size is 500 MB, or you can set this as another size, you can keep this as 1000 MB or any other size. Otherwise, leave that. It means the complete recording will be in a single file. Then this is the show countdown before recording. It means whenever we will start recording, it will show the countdown 3, 2, 1 and start. Then if you want beep on start recording, then you can check this box, otherwise leave unchecked. Then this one is for the show recording boundary, means whenever we are recording, then the boundary of that recording region should be visible. Then you can check this box. Then allow to move the recording region while capturing, you can keep this as checked. Then these are the unchecked in the by default condition. But if you want to hide desktop icons, then you can click this one. Auto hide the taskbar, then you can click this. And prevent video from freezing, you need to check this box. This will prevent the video from freezing during the recording. Then we want to increase the capture efficiency, it is recommended. After that, then few hotkeys are there. Hotkeys are those keys which performs their function directly. So if we will click F9, so it will show or hide annotation panel. Then if we want to enable or disable zoom, then you need to click F10. If you want to lock zoom area, then F11. And then for recording, if you want to change these hotkeys, then you can change as per your requirement. Otherwise, you can keep reset to default. Then after hotkeys, this is floating toolbar. It means if you want to hide that toolbar during the recording, then you can check this box. After that, some other features like start run the program when Windows start, leave this box as unchecked. Always run as administrator. Yes, you want that this software should run as an administrator. Then main panel, it you need to check this box, hide me when screenshot and action when closing main panel. This is minimized to system tray or exit program. So these are the some setting functions or the settings of this software. English, if you want to change language, English and some other languages are also there. So In this video, I have mentioned about the settings. What are the settings required for recording a video using Power REC software? In next video, I will be telling about the features or functions of this software, or how to use this software while recording a video or while capturing a screen. Till then, stay connected with the channel, and for this purpose you need to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon for the notification of the latest video. Thanks for watching.